present times, corporate world require skilled, proficient, competent and confident resources, and Pune Institute of Business Management is delivering exactly on that by making students industry ready.
So my whole vision was that any student which is coming down to at my institute should be fearless heart, should be very bold, and whatever they want to achieve in their life, they must go out and do it. As the vision was that the students either join the company or create the company. So we went to the various companies, we met the business heads, we met finance, HR, marketing heads, brought them in the campus, understood what kind of skill set they want in the various students, taken their JDs, that means job descriptions, built the course content, built the competencies in this content, and then this all industry movement started.
PIBM is providing corporate exposure to their students via interaction with the CEOs, CFOs, and other heads of the industries. Internship programs, live business projects, and skill empowerment boosts the confidence in the management professionals of the future.
So every event, every corporate session, or every live project in which I've been a part, this has helped me to develop my personality, my confidence.
Rapidly changing scenarios, corporate events or interface plays a vital role for the management students. And yes, PIBM ensures it by providing and organizing different corporate events like Pioneer Conversions, CEO Charisma.
It's not also that the only faculty will teach. So there are various times the corporate comes in and intervene in the faculty teaching, and they see that how the teaching is happening. They also take reviews from the various faculties and also with the various students, whether they have gained the typical skill set, knowledge, domain in that particular domain or not.
We are trained in all the GDs and PIs by not only the internal members but also by various corporate panels, which actually boost our confidence, and the robust feedback which we receive from them, that is immense. That helps us bridging those gaps which we are lacking in.
See, there has to be a mapping between the student's profile and with the course, and also it is relevant to his previous studies also.
Mentorship is very, very important because it helps the total transformation of our students. Second, we prepare a specific job related description which are master JDs, and when we provide that practical exposure to the students, he is job ready.
Because we are a business management institute and we are developing managers and leaders for the future. Okay, for that we need to have developed problem solving skills. So they do lots of case studies and live projects through which they develop problem solving skills. People need to know how to evaluate critically. Critical evaluation is not criticizing, okay, but evidence based opinion. So they need to know how to give evidence and their own opinion, because people have to have thought leadership. They have to influence by their thoughts.
Very famous psychologist once said that actually there is a very big gap or a huge gap between what academics provide on one side and what the corporates want. Here we are one of the few institutes who have tremendous presence of corporates in our campus, and we regularly meet the corporates. So then according to their requirements, we have that flexibility in PGDM course.
PIBM has a lot of opportunities for students who are looking forward for MBA and PGDM in finance. Also now it has added analytics to its portfolio, which is a huge addition. So now you get the chance to maintain the accounts also, and then to analyze them also, which really adds value to your future.
PIBM bridges the gap between the campus and corporate through industry-oriented training, which fosters practical knowledge being given to the students, thus creating leaders of tomorrow.
We started giving lots, we continuously do research with regard to industry. because there are lots of emerging trend, new trend. And the e-commerce, whether it is retail management, whether it is business analytics, whether it is artificial intelligence, these are all upcoming field, you know. And we started doing research as to what would be requirement from academic point of view, training point of view, pedagogy point of view, and student point of view, so that our students do not miss out the opportunity.
Apart from various corporate events, various corporate sessions and various corporate interface, we over here are also provided with 2 internship programs. One is the winter internship program and the another one is the summer internship program. Winter internship program, that is one of our USPs, and it's almost about for a month, and it just begins once our first semester gets over.
Education means is no more on the working on the books. Education means come out of the books, be practical. So when I speak practical, all companies, as our vision is that my student must create the company or join the company. So all the companies is hunger for those kind of talent which can build strategies and execute the strategies. So we train our students that you also think towards how to grow the company to a next level. So we are not only talking about the solution of problems or issues, we're talking about growth of the companies. So problems is a small subset of the growth. So we are training our students that how do you build growth inside the companies. Where 100% you have to solve 100 of the issues and problems, anticipate issues, and also create solution for the futures.
PIBM bridges the gap between the campus and corporate through industry-oriented training, which fosters practical knowledge being given to the students, thus creating leaders of tomorrow.